if you decide you want to use your personal computer to do your labs or do your homework, you're going to need to download two software programs onto it. The first one is going to be R. Um, I usually find it if I'm going to download it on a new computer of mine. I just do a Google search on R and CRAN. CRAN stands for something. Or you can actually just go to this website here, or you could go to this website down here, and this will get you the R software. And then what you also want to get is this other program called R RStudio, which can be downloaded here. You just do a Google search on R RStudio, and you can get that installed on your computer too. You want both of them. R RStudio doesn't do anything without having R installed, and if you have R installed and not R RStudio, you can actually still do stuff, but it's just not as easy. And then once you have it all installed, basically the first time you open up R, it's going to look something like this. You'll have three windows. You'll have a console window that's got a couple tabs on it. You'll have an environment window, and then you'll have this files window down here. So there's three panes that'll show up for you there. The main thing I care about right now is this console. The console is basically just a calculator for you there. So you can type in some math command, 3 divided by 8, hit the return key, and it will compute that for you. So it's a calculator. If you put more complicated commands in there, you'll get more complicated things done. And in general, though, with the program, you'll have 4 panes showing, because you won't want to type a command in one at a time. You want to have a whole list of commands typed in, and then you'll want to execute them all at once. And so I've got 3 divided by 8 and then 9 times 7 typed in there. And if you want to execute them all at once or want to run down through the list there, you either have this option here that says run, that'll go through and do them one at a time, and the computations still show up down in this console area, or you can go up to where it says code in your menu bar, down the run region, and there's a lot of options down here, but if you just want to do everything at once, you can just say run all, and it'll run through all these commands up here, and notice it does 3 divided by 8 and 9 times 7. And that's just a basic overview of the options you have sitting in here. These will be the main 2 things we deal with. The environment will sort of show up as we do more stuff later on.